We come today to rejoice, to give thanks for the mystery of this love, for the fulfillment of that love that you have found in one another, that may be a sign of God's eternal love for you. I, Dakshina, take you, Reshani, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you. In good times and in bad. In sickness and in health. To love you. And to honor you. All the days of my life.
I, Reshani, take you, Dakshina,
to be my husband. I promise. To be faithful to you. In good times and in bad. In sickness and in health. To love you. And to honor you. All the days of my life. I'm meant to be. My dear friends in Christ, what a joy to be here on this Sunday, the day of creation, to give thanks to God for this gift of this man and woman come together to be married. Reshani, take this ring. As a sign of my love. And my fidelity. Dakshina, receive this ring. As a sign of my love. And my fidelity. Falling in love with
Your kind, generous, and loving heart is what's been the best sister we could have ever hoped for. You have showed us that you're so patient, thoughtful, and sincere.
He's very kind and a caring person. He has so much patience, that's why we're still friends.
Dakshina and Reshani wish you a very, very best, and we look forward to hosting in our home in Edmonton. I'm going to miss you, brother. You lived with me in Edmonton for way too long. Now that you're gone from our home, gone from Edmonton, it's going to be hard. But Reshani, promise me you're not going to stop him coming back to Edmonton. And please visit us whenever you can.
We wish you both years and years of happiness. May their life together bring them much love and many children. Cheers!
Congratulations to Reshani and Dakshina.